Most of my friends that are here, you may in the same condition as me, but don't worry, you'll be getting your own soon. I just get my own first, so your one is coming, okay?
Ready? At the count of 1,000,000. One.
Welcome to my new home. So excited! I've been living here quite a while with my grandparents, now, which is now deceased. We did live in a shackle. Hurricane come and make the shackle worse. We tried to, put it together, but only to like to shelter us because when the rain fall, it coming like it falling outside when we're inside. And it was in a very terrible condition. The people here in Highbury Crescent, they know because most of them, when they pass and them see the house, them say, "What is a Carlene? I'm so happy for you. I'm so happy for you," because they know where I'm coming from. And I'm so grateful to the taxpayers of Jamaica, Dr. Michelle Charles, my MP, and my Prime Minister. Oh my God. God bless you, sir. I'm most thankful.
I am very happy to be in the parish of St. Thomas, the parish which was once described as a forgotten parish. Now you're always in my memory.
Yes. Oh.
The parish literally is on the frontier of new development. And one area in which there is going to be significant development in St. Thomas is in the area of housing. With the new road infrastructure, which is not just the asphalt, it is the water mains that we have laid, it is the sewer in certain sections, it is the conduits for internet and other sensors that we will be putting in.
Yeah.
It is a complete infrastructure that makes other kinds of activities possible. And so you're going to see an explosion of housing in St. Thomas. There are persons here, like Carlene, who are in immediate need of assistance. And the role of the government is to support in as much as we can. So it is indeed my great pleasure to be able to assist through the new social housing program. Now, welfare is something that is difficult to measure, but you can estimate what welfare is.
Yeah.
Your housing condition would have decreased your welfare. Yes, your well-being, how you feel about yourself,
Yeah.
your happiness.
Yes, sir.
But for the people around you looking on, it also affects their welfare.
Yes, sir.
Right? They are also saying, well, having this in my community generally depresses the community, how they feel
Yes, a lot of people.
about everything.
Yeah, the community.
So this one act, though directly beneficial to you, increases your welfare, but it doesn't take away from the welfare of everybody else around.
Yeah.
In fact, it probably increases everybody else's welfare.
Yes.
So this act increases welfare. Everybody feels good about it.
Everybody.
And that is what government is to do. Like every dollar that government spends should be directed in such a way that it increases welfare. So today is a good day because you are happy and the entire community is happy.
Most of my friends that are here, you may in the same condition as me, but don't worry, you'll be getting your own soon. I just get my own first, so your one is coming, okay?